So for the invisible, these are the tips I have in passing the test. So the test has 3 stages. There's a first test that has to do with English, but it's basically past, present tense, fill in the gap, listen to an audio and get some information from it. So the English test is not a problem. You'll most likely pass it. So the actual test for the role, the first stage is creating conversations. So you know how you have conversation with ChatGPT. Oh, hi, ChatGPT. Can you describe what it's like to be a singer, a celebrity singer? ChatGPT responds to you. But this time around, you are both ChatGPT and you're the one that is asking the question. So you're both the user and the AI. So you have to ask conversations that you know the answer to. Mind you, if you go and use ChatGPT to create this conversation, these people, they're a tech company. They are going to detect AI from a mile away. Do you understand? So you need to really reward it and make it sound human-like. You know how when we are speaking as human, you use so many words. You need to do that. You need to change it and sound very human. If not, you're not going to get in. If they can detect that you use ChatGPT to create these conversations. Or you can just create a conversation yourself, things that you're comfortable with, and then you answer. The second stage is evaluating responses. So you know how, like I said earlier, you ask ChatGPT, what is it like to be a celebrity, and it responds to you. They will give you a series of answers, responses to a prompt, and then you now have to select which one is more suitable, is a more suitable response to that prompt. Okay? Then the last stage is, mind you, all of this is going to be sent to you. It's not going to take you long because it will be sent to you ahead and you're not timed. So you can take your time, create this conversation, keep it, read the passages and the responses and know where your head is at before you start the actual test. You can spend the whole day doing this. So take your time and really understand what you're doing. The last stage is you recording a video where you're talking about what you have just done. They're basically asking you, what did you enjoy? What did you not enjoy? What did you find more easy? And yeah, that's about it. Before they used to have like a video interview because it's remote. Obviously, you're not going to anyone's office. But now they don't do that anymore. So if you can pass this test, you get moved to the onboarding stage, and then you have 3 days of training. By the first day, I promise you already get a hang of what's going on and what you'll be doing. Then also, I heard they're not taking Nigerians because a lot of people have been sending me messages, comments, and saying they're not taking Nigerians anymore. Ghanaians, I still think you guys should try. People in the UK, please, absolutely go for this. And for Outlier, I'll be making a video on that because they're taking people from Nigeria. On the live yesterday, some people already got responses and they were in Nigeria. But unfortunately, they're only taking people for AI data trainer under languages and only Yoruba and Hausa that's available. Unfortunately, no Igbo and no English. But like I said, I'll be making a video on that. I wish you guys best of luck and please do your research. Please do your research. Please.